Oh, there's, trust me, we won't get started about this. See that? So we are going to go on the panoramic gondola on Mont Tremblant. Some good stuff here, some good background, some good weather, hopefully. So we have bought the tickets for gondolas. It's about like $22 plus tax Canadian for that. And for kids that are from 0 to 2 years old, it's free. So Aiden is below 2 years old. We're gonna be going up on this thing. It was super fun. Pretty excited actually. Gondola, gondola, gondola. Gondola, gondola, gondola. Gondola, gondola. We are going on the gondola, gondola, la gondola. We're going up the gondola. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. There's a lake in the back. We're stuck. We're stopped. We have to live the rest of our lives in this small little cabin. We must start eating ourselves at one point. We're at the top of the mountain. We're above the clouds. Look at this, guys. We are at least a kilometer up in the air from where we started. This is what people come for skiing. So they start here and then they go down the hill, and it is just spectacular. Like the most amazing, exhilarating, thrill that you want to have in life. You start here and then you go all the way down. You go down for 1 kilometer. Just gravity, do all the work. It's beautiful. Check this out. We got a little bit of a small little cabin area here. They have a restaurant up here too. It's beautiful. People are chilling, watching the view. What more could you want? We're literally in the clouds. You can feel, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but the small water particles of a cloud. Aiden, what you got there? You got what?
I got flowers from Mom.
Oh, you're so sweet, Aiden. We're like literally inside of a cloud right now. ये बारिश नहीं है. That's why it feels like this. This is my other camera. It is covered in the water vapors of the cloud that we're in. Oh, this is a little chalet. Ooh. Oh, they got a little restaurant here. He's making some Montreal poutine. Oh, we got some fries.
Then, that's it, alright?
Cheese curds.
And the drink's gonna be on the other side.
Okay, thank you.
Lots of cheese curds. Man, your gravy is top notch.
Vegetarian, vegan vegetarian.
How can you make it so good with vegetarian?
Well, it's our secret. Can't tell you everything.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Ooh.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. The reality is, we're here for poutine. We are in Quebec. Quebec is known for poutine, whatever it's called, poutine. This is fries, cheese curds, and gravy. But this gravy is extremely tasty.
Better food in this cold weather is really nice. Or maybe they're in.
That's it. It's over. Guys, we have to leave now. It is amazing. Come to the top of the mountain in Mont Tremblant and get this. Ooh, it's chilly up here. All right, mission accomplished. Here you go. Right there. Oh, it's coming back.
Maybe.
It's coming back.
There we go.
Yay! Yay! So one thing I'll mention is that Mont Tremblant is an amazing place. A lot of adventurous things to do. But if you come on weekends, it's definitely going to be packed. You are going to be lining up. It is a lot more lively. I will give it that. Okay. There are a lot of food options here, but we're going to try to create something that is homey and healthy for the whole family. We're going to create some steak, some nice ribeye steak, with some nice Aglio olio pasta. Before we start, we gotta get the pasta going. Some nice hot water in here. So I'm gonna put that over here. We're gonna to go with some sea salt. Always salt your pasta. You can never not salt your pasta. We're using garlic cloves. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the garlic cloves, we're gonna break it, double chop this thing. You go like this, you twist this, you go. I'm gonna try to put a little bit of oil in there. It should be virgin olive oil, but we are just using sunflower oil at this point. Parsley, we're gonna chop up some herbs. Because this aglio olio pasta typically is not a very sauce heavy because we're trying to be healthy here. So pasta is boiling. Make sure that the pasta is not sticking together. I'm gonna just take one out and see if it's al dente. Al dente means to the bite. Okay, so the first things first, do not throw away the pasta water. Aglio olio is all about pasta water. Pasta water is what makes the sauce. Didn't miss out a little bit on the pastas. But the main thing about this whole Steco ribeye steak. Nice sea salt. Make sure it's sea salt. Makes a big difference. Okay. Put in some grounded pepper. This was freshly ground. Ribeye.
You have the flavor and the juiciness.
So you see how you have all this brown stuff after cooking the steak? Use some of the more of that pasta water. That's liquid gold. You pour that right back onto the pasta.
The pasta is gonna have so much more cream.
100%. Let's eat this thing. Okay, ribeye steak from Adonis. Hello. Let's try the pasta first, actually. Let's do that first. Healthy, clean. But what happens if you mix it up? Whoa, that's really good. All right, we're heading out. We're leaving behind this amazing accommodation that we had. Very, very good price. 3 nights and 4 days, and we're gonna go check out the lake now. We're ready to go. Come this way. All right, we're going paddle boating. Right, Ethan? Woohoo! We're gonna get our life jackets. You ready? Let's go backwards, guys. We're going backwards, guys. Now it makes sense.
Yeah.
Whoa! That's the village right there. Remember yesterday? It's a nice place, man. I gotta say. There's people from all over the world here. I think these guys are from Saudi Arabia. They're speaking Arabic. And then we have some Ashkenazi or Hasidic Jews here having fun. You got some Punjabis from Brampton. Yeah, the car is heating up because the mechanic did not close the lid for the coolant properly and it came off, and now we have to deal with this crap. Alright, let's check it out. This thing is not going up. That's a good thing. The heat. It looks like we only have a battery light on. The engine light is gone. We still have a battery problem, but you know what? We'll have to deal with that. Looks like the temperature is high again. So we ended up staying at Holiday Inn Express Suites. Last minute decision. Because on Sunday everything is closed, so we couldn't actually go to the mechanic. So we decided to just stay over another night in Gatineau, which is not that far from Ottawa. It's about 20 minutes away from where our car broke down. We're gonna stay over for the night, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna go and grab a new battery and a new belt, because that was the problem. The belt actually came off. I'll call CA, get the car towed. It was an unfortunate turn of events, but you know what? Life is an adventure, so let's make it into an adventure. Oh, not bad.
Not bad.
Not a bad room at all.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's the washroom. Not bad.
Nice.
Okay, for $130 a night.
This is my bed.
That's your bed?
Yeah.
You'll be sleeping on that one?
Oh.
The red whale. That's why I always get you CAA membership. Not sponsored by CA. I gotta get this thing fixed in a couple of hours because our checkout is at 2 p.m. There's one wonderful lady over there. She's standing over there. She got us a good, like one of her uncles actually knows a mechanic, or he is a mechanic. And she made a call and she was able to get us in early, because all the other mechanics who called, it was like, you know, either tomorrow morning or next week. It was just crazy. We have arrived. This is the only guy who was able to take us at this short notice. Everyone is booked. Look at this guy. One of the smallest ball bearings got stuck, and that ball bearing pretty much was responsible for spinning this whole fan belt. And because it was still rotating, it just melted in the heat from the friction. We had this whole thing just kind of fall apart as a result. Fixed. Temperature is also good. Oh my god. One little ball bearing created this whole problem. Having Subway. Waiting for the mechanic to finish the car. Then we're going to be heading out. Back to Toronto. Woohoo! Did it! Gonna go finally be able to get home.